few weeks, you'll finally be able to get your hands on a brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator pickup. And if you're a Jeep lover that needs versatility, you'll want to. It hits dealers this summer, and when it does, the base sport model asks $33,545 before destination. If you want a fully loaded Rubicon, prepare to dish out $43,545. And if you really want to go all out, a limited launch edition model is available at a cost of $60,815. But hurry, Jeep is building just 4,190 of those. Here's how the pricing structure breaks down trim by trim. And here's how the Gladiator looks against the competition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.